All right, let's try problem 3. 1/4 x is equal to 8. We're solving one-step equations. All right, so we'll set up our equation. 1/4 x is equal to 8. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll multiply 4 to both sides of the equation. Multiply by 4 on the left side of the equation. Multiply by 4 on the right side of the equation. The parentheses is the same thing as the multiplication symbol, if y'all did not know that, okay? You can replace the times sign, this sign right here, the little X sign symbol, you can replace that with the parentheses symbol. It's the exact same thing. So 4 multiplied by 1/4, well, what's 4 times 1 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And what's 1 times x? So 4 multiplied by 1/4 x is just simply x. So we're going to get x is equal to 8 times 4. Well, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 would be 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 8 again is 24. Plus another 8 would be 32. So this is saying that x is equal to 32. All right. Now let's double check that. If x is equal to 32, then we could do 1/4 multiplied by 32 equal to 8. Well, what's 32 multiplied by 1? 32 times 1 is 32, but then we have the 4 in the denominator. So 32 divided by 4, ladies and gentlemen, is 8. So x is equal to 32 for this problem here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do problem number 4. 6x is equal to 24. So in our previous situation, the coefficient of x, or the number in front of the x, was 1/4. Now the coefficient is 6. So because the first coefficient was a fraction, we multiplied. This coefficient is a whole number. So in order to get the x by itself, we have to divide. We're going to do the opposite of multiplication. We're going to divide in this instance. So let's write this out here to the side. 6x equals 24. All right. We'll divide both sides by 6. 6. So 6x divided by 6. The 6's cancel out. So we're going to be left with x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. All right. Now, if we substitute this value into our original equation, we should get 24. So we'll do 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. This is true because 6 times 4 is 24. So we solved all of our problems. The numbers that are in the circles are our answers. Hope this video helps. Let me know if y'all have any further questions. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at this daily routine. Solving one-step equations. Isolate the variable to find its value. So we're going to isolate. We're isolating the variable. This is key information right there. Okay? Isolate the variable. All right? We're going to do this first problem here. So x plus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, so the first step we'll do is we'll have x plus 4 equals 11. Now, what I'll do is we'll subtract the 4 from both sides. Subtract 4, subtract 4. All right? The 4's cancel out. We're left with x is equal to 7, because 11 minus 4 is 7. Now let's double check our answer. If x is equal to 7, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we'll double check here. If x is equal to 7, so we'll replace the x with a 7, plus 4 is equal to 11. This is true. Our answer is correct. We're done. All right. We do 7.10a. At the local coffee shop, they sell a reusable mug for $8. If you use the mug for a refill, the refill costs $1.50. Last month, Jackson spent $30.50 for the mug and refills. Which equation can be used to determine the number of refills Jackson purchased last month? Okay, so we read the entire word problem. All right. We got our answer options here. F, 8 plus R plus 150 is equal to 3050. 8 times R plus $1.50 is equal to 30.50. 8 plus $1.50 R is equal to 30.50. J not here. Okay, so let's underline or highlight the specific question that's asking us to determine. Which equation can be used to determine the number of refills R Jackson purchased last month? Now, we've underlined the specific question. Now we're going to label and annotate. So they sell a reusable mug for $8, okay? If you use the mug for a refill, the refill costs $1.50. Last month, Jackson spent $30.50 total for the mug and the refills, all right? So now, after we've labeled, we can evaluate here. So $30.50 was spent total. We're going to set that equal to the $8 for the mug plus the $1.50 per refill, okay? The $1.50 is supposed to be multiplied per refill. $8 is just for the mug itself. Once he buys the mug, he doesn't have to pay for it anymore. So it's not going to be F, because F is saying it's $8 plus the refill plus $1.50. So if he gets 2 refills, it's not going to be 8 plus 2 plus $1.50. It's going to be 8 plus $1.50 times 2. The R here is based on the amount of refills that he gets. The 8, this is our constant. This stays the same. Okay? But the R will determine how much he pays for the refill. So let's look at G. 8R. It's not going to be $8 per every refill. It's going to be $1.50 for each refill. The $8 is only how much he has to spend to buy the mug for the first time. So it won't be G. Let's look at H. $8 plus $1.50 times R is equal to 30.50. That's exactly what we have right here. The correct answer is H. It won't be J because the answer is here. We evaluated, we set up, and we solved the correct answer. We eliminated the wrong answers. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is H. Thank you all for watching. Hope this video helps you. All right, let's do this problem here. As always, we begin with our rule strategies. We'll read the word problem. Which model best represents the equation? Okay, negative 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. So best represents the equation of negative 2x minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, so we read the word problem. We underlined to highlight the specific part of the question. Now we're going to label and annotate. So negative 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so the key is right here, okay? The negative x's are dark. The positive x's are a light color. 1 is 1, negative 1 is a dark color. So we have negative 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so our evaluation. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, it's not going to be A. Negative 2x, okay, this one looks a little closer. So negative 2x, and this is going to be plus 2. But remember, it's going to be negative 2, right? So it's going to be a dark square. So it's not going to be B or C. D, negative 2x. So this is how we evaluate by writing it in. Negative 2x minus 2, because there's 2 negative 1s, is equal to positive 3. All right? The answer is D. Okay? So we evaluated, we set up, and we select the correct answer. This is our equation. These are our algebraic tiles that represent this equation. All right? Hope this video helps. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Thank you for watching. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we do 7.11a. Which model best represents the equation? Okay, so we're looking for the algebraic tiles, which best represents the equation below, which is 3x minus 4 is equal to 3. This is the key right here. So we've underlined the question specifically, highlighting the specific areas. Now we can label. So we have 3x minus 4 is equal to 3. All right, now we're going to evaluate by making sure that the algebraic tiles match the equation. So we have 3. So this is going to be 3x plus 4 is equal to 3. We're supposed to be minus 4, so it will not be A. Let's try B. B has 3x minus 4 is equal to negative 3x. This is close, but the last part of the equation is supposed to be 3, not 3x. Let's go to C. C has 3x minus 4 is equal to 3. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 3. That matches up. Let's go to D. D has negative 3x minus 4 is equal to positive 3. Now, D's issue is it has negative 3x, but in our equation, it's supposed to be positive 3x, so it won't be D. So the only correct answer here, ladies and gentlemen, is C. We evaluated by writing out the algebraic tiles, and then we selected the correct answer. I hope this video helps. Let me know if y'all have any specific questions. Thanks for watching. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's check out this UDO 7.11a. Which model best represents the equation? All right, so we're looking for the best representation of the equation. Negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 1. We read the word problem. We underlined and highlighted the specific part of the question. So we have negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 1. This is our key right here. The positives are in the white color and the negatives are in the colored color. Let's go here. When we label and we evaluate, what we're going to do is we're going to write out on top of the algebraic tiles what they represent. So we have negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Okay? Now this right here, I'm going to put a question mark. Okay? Because this is correct. Negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Let's try this one. Negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative x. The negative x is incorrect. Let's try this one here. Negative 2x is equal to 5. Won't be that one. Negative 2x minus 3 is equal to negative 1. This is negative 3. It should be positive 3. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, after we evaluated and selected the right choice, is A. Negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 1. All right. Thank you all for watching.